Here is the AI Conversational Starter Kit for you. In this folder, you'll find various AI solutions through typical AI applications by products. At the end of the session, you'll be able to pick the solutions based on your client's needs. Inside this folder, you will find an A3 size paper comprised of a layout and a framework, and also a deck of 10 flashcards displaying each applications and its properties. To start, you may use the framework to help you and your customers to pick the right architectural solutions. For better visualization, you can refer to the layout that goes hand in hand with the framework. Each application in the layout is color-coded to match with the chosen architectural solution. After identifying the right AI solution, pick the flashcard to learn more about the product. This serves as a cheat sheet that provides a brief description, properties, isometric view with visuals at the back. For more information, you can scan the QR code on the flashcard. It will lead you directly to the product landing page on technion.com. You can find various resources which includes brochure, application guide, image gallery, and many more. Additional resources can also be found by visiting My Technion.